Hi, I'm Simon Salmon. I'm one of ISC2's senior authorized instructors. So the workshops are really great. They're deliberately titled as workshops rather than a training session. So it's not somebody like me talking for 2 days at you. This is actually us working together. What ISC2 is great at doing is bringing really good people together to help address topics. And AI is absolutely at the forefront of people's minds at the moment. Pretty much every organization I speak to is either doing it and is worried, is doing it and wants to know how they can do it better. And some people really recognize the risk around this. It's something of a hot potato that they want to address in a governance way that's structured, that's appropriate. So the best thing I think in terms of takeaways is it gives you some not just actionable advice, but it gives you that sort of journey to help you go from where you are now to a really good position that helps address and mitigate threats.